Hey guys, let's make some white sauce spaghetti pasta. I mean, just look at that. In a karai, you will be needing 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, some chili flakes, and half a chopped onion, and saute them for some 1 to 2 minutes. To this, we'll be adding a handful of cherry tomatoes, stirring them, and adding the veggies that you like. I have used capsicum, broccoli, zucchini just to make it really colorful and it tastes really yum. You can add whatever you like. Stir them for another 1 to 2 minutes. To this, I'll be adding salt, pepper for flavoring, and cook the veggies until done. And in the same pan, I'm adding butter, maida for the white sauce, just to save some time. If you want, you can use another karai. And I'm mixing everything with the veggies. This will act as a thickening agent. Mix really well with the veggies and fry it for 30 seconds. I'm adding some more maida because I felt I needed, and to this I'll be adding 1 glass or 1 cup of milk and combine everything well again. To this, I'll be adding all the seasonings: a tablespoon of oregano, thyme, basil, rosemary, garlic powder, chili flakes, and pepper. And now adding the boiled pasta of your choice. I have used spaghetti pasta. Since I felt like the pasta was too dry, I'm adding 1 more cup of milk, adding a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese and coriander leaves. And now I'll be transferring this on a plate and swirl it like this, as you can see in the video. Now adding the veggies on top and sprinkling some Parmesan cheese on top and serve it like this. White sauce spaghetti pasta is ready. It's so yummy. You have to try it. It's just worth every bite. Look at it. Yum. Even your kids will eat it. It's really that good. You definitely have to try it. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell icon.